Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to be preparing keema fries. So I've started heating a wok with oil. Once the oil has heated up well, I've added finely chopped onions. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with my blog link and social media handlings. Now once the onions have fried for a minute, I've added finely chopped coriander, finely chopped garlic and ginger, fried it for a minute. Now I'll be adding finely chopped chilies, ginger and garlic paste. I'll fry it further for another minute until the onion turns transparent. Now once the onions have turned transparent, I've added turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder. We'll fry it further for another minute. Now that the masala has fried very well, I'll be adding the mutton keema. Once we add the mutton keema, just break it up and fry it along with the masala for 5 minutes. Eventually the mutton keema will release a lot of moisture. So once your mutton keema has fried, add salt as per taste and just stir it. Place it on medium flame. Add quarter cup of water. Cover your mutton keema and cook it on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Once your mutton keema has cooked well, just open the lid, add garam masala and pepper powder. Mix it well, cover it and cook it further. I'm just going to allow the excess moisture to dry out. So the mutton keema has cooked well. Allow the excess moisture to dry. Stir it once and remove from flame. Heat enough oil in a wok to fry my french fries. Now that the oil is nice and hot, I've added the french fries and I'm going to fry it on medium flame till it turns golden. Once my fries have turned golden brown in color, I'm going to drain it from the excess oil and reserve it in a serving plate. Now I'm going to start layering my fries. I've started to layer my fries with keema, finely chopped onion and chilies, finely chopped coriander leaves. Then we'll top it with some equally shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Again we'll top it with some keema, finely chopped onions and chilies, and serve the keema fries as hot as possible. That's when your cheese will melt. You can also garnish it with some parsley and chili flakes. My keema fries are ready. Do try this recipe, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.